Today, we're looking into Python comments. Ready? Let's go. Comments in Python start with a hashtag symbol like this. They're super handy for explaining your code, making it easier to read, or even preventing certain lines from running while you test your code. Here's a basic example. See that? Python ignores everything on that line after the hashtag. So this is a comment. It's just for us humans to read. You can also put comments at the end of a line of code. Again, everything on that line after the hashtag is ignored by Python. It's like adding a note for yourself or others who read your code. Now, what if you want to prevent a line of code from running? Easy. Just comment it out. Here, hello world. Won't print because it's commented out. But cheers, mate. Will show up just fine. Need to write a comment that spans multiple lines. Python doesn't have a specific syntax for multi-line comments, but you can just use the hashtag symbol on each line. And that's it. Now you know how to use comments in Python to make your code clearer and easier to work with. Thanks for watching.